Klaviyo versus Mailchimp. Wow. Explosion of email marketing platforms. Which one is the better option, though? Stick around and let's have a look at some of their features. So jumping into Klaviyo first, as you can see, we've got a fantastic layout. You've got your menu on your left-hand side, and Klaviyo is very easy to navigate through. You've got your homepage, which is essentially your dashboard, and you can run all of your bits and pieces on your dashboard. So you can see your performance and your conversions and so forth. Mailchimp is much the same. You have your homepage, which is your dashboard. You can see everything that's going on within your account. But there's something that I'd like to focus on today, and the main purpose of these platforms is to communicate with your customers. So I'm going to jump into an email creation, and I'm going to show you the difference between Klaviyo and Mailchimp. So let's go down over here on the left-hand side in our menu. We're going to go to templates, and from templates, you can see that there are a bunch of templates. Now let's start with Klaviyo and let's see what they actually have to offer. You can import a template. You can also create a blank email, and then you can filter down the type of template, layout, and season that you would like your template to represent. So let's say perhaps we're going to go and have a look for a template, and let's use this one over here. One of the other things is they show you what it looks like on your desktop. They also show you what it looks like on mobile. And to be optimizing your emails for mobile is fantastic, because there's nothing worse than getting an email on your mobile and you can't actually read it, or you can't see it properly because it's not optimized for the mobile outlay. So we're going to click on use template, and from here you can see on the left hand side you've got a whole bunch of blocks or items that you can add to this email. Now this is not just a regular email with plain text. This is next level email. So you've got a header, you've got images, you've got text, you've got links that you can add in here, you've got your social media links, you've got your footer, and you can completely customize all of this. You can also view it in the desktop view as well as the mobile view. So if you're going on the left hand side and let's say you would like to add one of these elements here, for example a product, you're going to click down, drag it over, and let's add a product right over there. Here you can add a product that is within your Klaviyo account. It's just everything's in the same place, and it's just so easy to do all of this. Once you're done customizing this, you can just say preview and test, and you can send this to different groups of people within your Klaviyo account. You can send it to individuals, you can filter out who you send it to, and you can actually include it in workflows as well. Jumping into Mailchimp, pretty much the same. We're going to go over to the left hand side. We're going to tap on create, and here with the drop down menu you have the regular. So this allows you just to send regular text emails to your customers. You can send plain text emails here to your contacts, and then we have our templates. Now clicking on getting started again boasts a whole heap of different types of templates, and what you want to do is you want to choose the purpose of your email. So let's say we want to sell products. We want to choose our industry, and then you can also filter down your style. You can see, what's kind of happening here, and you can also filter out whether you want free templates only or paid templates. So once you have sort of found a template that you like, you can click on apply. You can now name your template. So let's just say new template, and we're going to say save. Now what we can do from here is, again, it's completely customizable. So you see your template over here, and you can go in and add items from this left side over here. You can change the style in terms of the email, the text, links, buttons. There's a whole bunch of customization that you can do here. You can also optimize your email, so you'll get better click-through rates when you are optimizing. This is part of the upgraded plan. So if you are wanting to spend on the upgraded plan, this will be one of those features that are included. Again, you can save that and exit, and you can send that to whichever category of people or customers within your contact list you need to send it to. Having a look at these two platforms that pretty much offer the same sort of product, Mailchimp for me is a winner. They've just got better options. They have more customization options, and I'm a visual thinker, so this is like gold for me. What do you think? Let us know in the comment section below. We'll see you next time.